Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalite.in, and you can also search in our website for latest pharma job openings. Friends, coming to today's job opening from Macleods Pharmaceuticals. Friends, they are conducting walk-in on 1st May, that is for B.Sc M.Sc B.Pharma and M.Pharma candidate as mentioned in the thumbnail. So coming to the vacancy details, friends, they are hiring for QA, QC and production departments. The post name is Executives, Officers, Senior Executive, Operators. So let us see the complete details regarding these openings and the skill set required for each job opening. So as I have already said the qualification, friends, these are walk-in interviews. You need to attend to the interview venue physically, and if you are unable to attend to the walk-in interview physically, you can send your resumes to the mail IDs which are provided here, that will be shown in the next slide. Friends, coming to the executive or senior officer or officer quality assurance, they are looking for B.Pharma, M.Pharma or M.Sc candidates with 2 to 8 years of experience in liquid injection validation or qualification activity of manufacturing, compounding, filtration, CIP, SIP, terminal sterilization, filling, sealing equipment. Coming to the executive or senior officer or officer quality control, looking for 2 to 8 years of experience in micro, RM, PM, finished product and stability with experience on analytical instrumentation. For executive or senior officer, 4 to 10 years of experience with tablet manufacturing, packing and D.Pharma diploma engineering for production liquid injection department. Friends, coming to the important details, the job location is Sikkim, and as I already said, if you are unable to attend to this walk-in interview, you can share your profile to the mail IDs provided here on the screen, and they have also provided some contact details. You can contact them regarding any queries you have. So the selection process will be on the basics of interview. So the date of walk-in interview is 1st May. Timings are 19 to 17 hours. The venue is Terrace Valley Pride Clacks in Ranipool, East Sikkim. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next video.